Can't find that ice maker valve with the needle anywhere? You're not alone. Searching for the exact plumbing part you need, especially as a newbie, is straight up frustrating and can feel impossible when all the options start looking the same. So here's the lowdown. What you're hunting for is called an ice maker saddle valve or a piercing valve. And yeah, the needle is actually inside the valve itself, not something you see in the store packaging. When you pick up a kit, it'll usually come with everything you need: clamp, valve, and all. First, check your pipe size. It's probably 1/2 inch copper or plastic, so you get the right fit. Grab a tubing cutter if you don't have one, and a SharkBite connector makes things way easier if you ever want to remove or upgrade it later. The needle isn't separate. It's built into the valve and only punctures the pipe once you install and tighten it down. You'll want to put the valve on in the open position so it doesn't poke a hole until you're ready. Tighten the clamp super snug, then close the valve. This will pierce your pipe and stop water flow until you open it again. Seriously, there are solid videos online showing step-by-step how to do this if you feel lost, and it's usually less intimidating once you see it done. One of the biggest mistakes people make is searching for an exact match instead of looking for compatible ice maker saddle valves or piercing valves, which are widely available under different names at hardware stores. Another super common issue is forgetting to check the pipe size before buying, so always know if you're working with 1/2 inch or 3/8 inch lines to avoid returns and wasted trips. A lot of folks also freak out about the missing needle when in reality it's hidden inside the valve and only does its job when you install it, so don't stress if you can't see it in the package. If you're nervous about cutting into a water line, remember SharkBite connectors are designed for beginners and make installation way less scary. Just watch for leaks and make sure everything's tight before walking away. BigHomeProjects.com is a super helpful spot for homeowners trying to find trusted local plumbers or contractors who can tackle tricky repairs like ice maker installations, saving you tons of hassle and second guessing. Plus, for contractors looking to pick up more jobs, it's a great way to connect with people in your area who actually need your skills. No more scrambling for leads or sitting around waiting for work to show up.